This is the apparent power interactive calculator, which solves for apparent power and related electrical parameters in AC circuits. Let's look at the input options. First, there's a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate S from real power and reactive power. Calculate S from voltage, current, and power factor. Calculate S from real power and power factor. Calculate S from voltage and impedance. Calculate power factor from P and S. And calculate reactive power from P and S. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate S from real power and reactive power. The input fields are real power P, reactive power Q, voltage V, current I, power factor cos F, which ranges from 0 to 1, impedance Z, and apparent power S. For our example, I'll enter real power equals 10 and reactive power equals 10. After clicking Calculate, the results show apparent power S equals 1414 VA, power factor equals 0.7071. Real power confirms at 10.0 watts, reactive power at 10.0 VAR, phase angle F equals 45.0 degrees, and power quality shows poor, correction recommended. This indicates significant reactive power causing inefficiency in the system. Find the link in the description below.